Hey you all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be working on this French provincial chest of drawers. You can see there are a lot of scratches. Somebody stained it after trying to sand it down, but there are a lot of scratches, so I will just be painting this today. So to begin with, removing the hardware, and you can see inside, so I will probably lining the drawers. I am going to just use like my Mr. bottle. It has just tap water in it, and I am going to clean it. I am not going to sand this dresser today because we are going to be using milk paint, and for milk paint you don't have to sand your piece down if you want a chippy look. So I am just going to spray some water and wipe it off clean with a paper towel. It's lint free, and that's what we want to but just like remove any dust that has piled over it. And now it's ready to be painted. So this is the color that is Mod Mustard from Fusion Mineral Paint. It comes in the form of powder, and then you have this cup. So I'm going to empty the entire packet here because the quantity is like 10 ounces, and then equal amount of water. You can read the instruction on the back of the packaging, and you just stir it and mix it well, and let it sit for some time for it to be free of any lumps. And then just take your brush and paint it over your dresser. So this is my first coat. I am using a synthetic brush to apply the first coat over the cleaned dresser, and I will let it to sit so that it dries. Once it's completely dry, I will come and do the second coat. So I believe 2 coats would be enough to paint this dresser, and then we will move on to some design. So my first coat is dry, and I am going to do the second coat of this yellow paint, and you can see the coverage is awesome. It's a pretty yellow color that is coming along with the milk paint, and I think I'll just stick with 2 coats and let it dry completely. So this is the top drawer, and on that I am going to paint some stripes, and for that I am using a chalk paste from Redesign with Prima in a lighter yellow tone to keep a darker and a lighter shade. So this is sand, and you can see it has a little bit of like you can say a nice finish. It's not as chalky, but it's more like nice greasy kind of a touch, and it's lighter than the original yellow that I painted the dresser in. So it's dry, and I'm gonna remove this painter's tape, and you can see the variation of 2 yellows. The transfer that I'm using today is Antonia. It's a beautiful transfer with greens and yellows and a little bit of yellow. So every tube comes with instructions and a transfer tool, and this transfer has 2 sheets, 2 long sheets that come in it. So I will start from the bottom, and I'm going to measure my first sheet and cut out the transfer according to the size of the dresser. And I am going to be using the part that I cut out on the drawer above it, so that it continues throughout the dresser. So I have used about 2 tubes of transfer on this 4 drawers. I am using the crafts knife to cut out the extra on the sides because I did not cut it before I applied it on the drawer. So I'm just using the transfer tool that comes in each tube to rub this transfer onto the milk painted piece, and you can see how gorgeous this transfer looks against yellow, the greens and the yellows and the purple florals just popping out against that lighter background. am done applying the transfer. Now I'm going to use the polishing pad to burnish out my transfer on the edges, on the corners. You can see there is some bubble there on the transfer, and look at the magic the polishing pad does. You just rub it gently and it releases all the air pockets, air bubbles that may have trapped inside the transfer while you rub it, apply it on the furniture. So just going to rub the entire dresser, and this is the final look. I sealed it in Fusion Mineral matte top coat, applied put on the same hardware original, but painted them black, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.